Tell me, hello, you are not. Tell me, introduce yourself.
Okay, great. So I'm going to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Yamdi Israel. I'm from Bihar. I'm intermediate pass. Talk about my hobbies. So I love to travel. I love to talk to people, and I love to watch English content. Apart from that, I run YouTube channel where I upload English content. Yeah, that's all about me, sir.
That's great. That's great.
May I know about you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. My name is Rohit Yadav. I am from Uttar Pradesh, but I live in Allahabad. I study in 12th standard, and I have my family is a nuclear family. I have three siblings and me. That's all about me.
Okay, so you are living Allahabad to
Yeah, yeah,
study purpose.
yeah. My district is Allahabad. You know Allahabad?
Yes, yes, I know very well Allahabad.
Yeah, yeah,
Never
yeah,
did Allahabad as a known Prayagraj.
yeah, yeah,
Do
yeah,
you know?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Prayagraj.
Did you go? Did you go Kumbh Mela or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am celebrate Kumbh Mela.
Okay. So when
Big.
did you go? When did you go to Kumbh Mela? When did you go? Tell me. When did you go?
Okay, okay. Allahabad, Mahakumbh Mela is the famous and very and all people is the both and Salgam and Ganga and Yamuna rivers and
Saraswati.
yeah, Saraswati and Nadiya rivers and best and present time best and people coming and best. Okay, hello
Mhm.
sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Do you have question for me?
Okay. Do you favorite book reading?
Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes when I get time, so I read book. Okay, but I read only English book. I don't read any Hindi book. Because when I read book, then I get verb, I get unknown verb, then I write a notebook, then I try to remember, then I try to incorporate in our conversation.
Sir, you are present time reading book names.
Okay, bliss,
Believe,
bliss,
believe.
yeah.
And Rich Dad Poor Dad book reading.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
I don't have, but I have one friend and he purchased it.
okay, okay.
To my friend, my friend, reads book, and one day he was saying me about that book.
Okay, 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 okay.
Hmm. So yeah, I have heard, it is. I think that is a good book.
Yeah, Rich Dad and Poor Dad is the good bag, good Rich Dad and Poor Dad good books is the depend your poor people think and rich people think different.
Right. So
Yeah,
do you read?
best.
Do you read?
No, no, no. I am not PDF. Is the read PDF free YouTube, but I am not purchase course. But sorry, I am not purchase books, but I am PDF available. See YouTube
Yeah.
and Chrome PDF only reading.
Okay. PDF are available in the mobile, isn't it?
Available.
Mhm.
Available.
So what are you doing? What are you doing? Only apart from study, what are you doing?
Okay, 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 okay. I am a student and 12th standard, but I am learning English present time. Yeah,
Okay.
and
How old are you?
I am good.
How old? How old are you?
Okay, 19 years old.
Oh, you are 19 years old.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 19 years old.
In which class do you study?
12th standard.
12th standard.
12th standard. You
Oh, great, great. So what do you want to become in your life?
okay?
Do you want to become a policeman, Fauji?
No, 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 no.
Okay. Then do
I
you
want to
want, do
know.
you want to become a English teacher,
Okay, business.
mathematics teacher?
No, businessman, businessman.
Okay. You have, great desire, you have great, goal that you want to become a businessman. Okay.
Business.
So what do you want to sell? What kind of business do you want to open?
Okay, businessman is the businessman.
Like,
Hello, sir.
like,
One ask question and you. Hello.
yes, please ask me.
Do you do your life goals?
Yes. Okay. So you want to know about my life goal,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, goal. Yeah,
Actually, uh, when I started learning English, that time, I had goal that, I want to go Australia and Canada. Okay.
yeah,
And I don't have any degree. I don't have any degree. So one my friend told me, you can't go there because you don't have degree. Okay. So once upon a time, I think 3 years, no 3 years, 3 months back, I was talking with people, and he was using also Aspluency app. And now nowadays he lives in Canada. So I asked him, can I come there, here, there, because I didn't know, I don't have any kind of degree. Then he told me that no, if you don't have, a degree, then you can't come. Okay.
yeah,
Then I changed my, way. Then I changed my, how can I say, goal. And now I have goal. I want to become a good speaker in English. I want to
yeah, yeah,
become a good English teacher in my life.
yeah. You want
Okay.
to become teachers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to become good teacher in
Thank.
English.
Okay, that's it. Okay, sir. Sir, second question
Mhm.
you ask me, and most important degree or most important skills.
See, first of all, at least if I say my according to you, must have some degree, 12th passed, graduation passed. After that, you must have any skills. Okay, you
Yeah,
must have any skills, how to speak English, and you must know that how to start business. Like you have desire to start business, right? So you must know that how to start, what kind of business should I start, right? So before
yeah,
going to start any business, you must have knowledge how to start business, right?
yeah,
And I'm saying I want to clear that, if you don't have any degree, okay, doesn't matter. If you are not, if you can say, you did not pass anything, you don't have any kind of degree, okay, 10th pass, 12th pass, doesn't matter. But if you know how to repair mobile, if you know how to, how garage, how to repair bike, how to repair car, okay, how to repair, washing machine, how to repair fridge, okay. So without degree, you will earn lots of money better than an educated person.
yeah. That.
We must
But
have skills
degree,
to earn money.
hello, sir. Degree is the most important. Depend your journey successful. But present time, your first time you told final. But your have skill. Skill is the most important.
Hmm. Suppose you are in 12th, okay, and
Yeah,
you don't have any kind of skills.
yeah,
So
yeah,
after studying, what will you do? What will you do? and you want to become you want to open your own business and you don't have money, then how
Yeah.
will you open your business?
Yeah.
You must, before going to start any business, before going to open your any shop, you must have money. Then you can start your business. If you don't have
Yeah.
money, it is not easy to open any shop. You must have good place. You must have shop. You must have money. You must have knowledge as well as.
Yeah.
Then you can.
Knowledge. Yeah. Knowledge is the powerful weapon. You are any one country you visit, you have skill and your proper work, but you have not a skill, you are not successful.
Definitely, without skills, definitely we can say, will not you will not get you will not get success.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So you must have knowledge. Everything you must have. No, you must have.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, sir, that's great your question. And sir,
Hmm.
today is the abhi our PDF rich dad and poor dad we reading. Your one dad see your one son, two brothers, two fathers, sorry, two fathers, and one father opinion use the rich poor rich think,
Rich
and
person.
yeah, one dad poor dad your opinion your skill depend different. Okay, sir.
Yeah, really, and it is true. It is true. I believe because
Yeah.
when I was in India, that time I did not have, I did not have any skills. I was
Yeah.
not earning money. I was not earning money that much. Okay.
Yeah.
So because I did not have good job, that's why I did not have any skills. So that's
Yeah.
why I was not earning money good. But when I when I learned some skills, then I started earning money good, and I am so happy,
Yes. Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
we must have a skill, sir. Now what is it? We must have a skill. If you don't know, if you don't have a skill, if you want to work in a company, if you want to go somewhere, okay, so definitely
Yeah.
you will not be selected. It is my opinion, and it is true.
Yeah. Yes. Sir, yeah. That's great.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, you are recording video.
Yes, yes, I am recording video. This video I will upload. Don't worry.
Okay. 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 You and okay. 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 Sir, ask me question.
Okay. So how many friends live with you?
Okay. My friends is the village.
And you are living alone?
No. No. My friends we present time is the reading and okay.
So you are living with your friend. Am I right?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So how many friends? One friend, two, three. How many friends?
Friends.
Yeah, friends. Do you know friends?
Yeah. Yeah. We are proper not listening is the and
Hmm.
friends. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Friend. My friend is the living in the uh, people and village area.
Hmm.
Okay.
So I'm asking you now. Now you are alone in your room, and someone is with you.
Yeah. Yeah. But sorry. Repeat question.
I'm asking you. You are alone in your room. You are alone in your room, and someone is with you.
No. 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 This is my the buffalo place. You know buffalo place. भैंस जहाँ रहते हैं. Yeah.
So
This is
you
my.
are now you are not in Allahabad. You are in your hometown.
Oh. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So sir, why are you learning this language? What's the reason?
English learning region is the best and subject no but international English language. Most important life today and future. Today, 21 century is the, and you have not English, you are not a value. Okay, only you
Yeah,
are
you are not
in.
given value. If you don't
Yeah,
know English language, you are not
yeah.
given value.
Any one country you are travel and you have not English, not you are not value, but you have English speaking and you are any one country, you are best and value all people you respect is the you are India on Hindi medium, only Indian successful, but other country you are not you conversation you are Hindi.
Mm-hmm. Because
And
our native language is Hindi. That's why
no,
we
no,
know
no,
only Hindi language. We don't know other language. And
no.
if you go to the other language, if you will go other country, okay.
Yeah,
So we
yeah,
have you no. If you don't know English language, don't surviving life and living there. It is not easy. You know,
yeah, yeah,
you
yeah,
will be
yeah.
face very difficulty.
Yeah, yeah, is this is my region and we are thinking and English is the most important and my brother suggestion you are learning English. Okay, my brother,
Yeah,
my brother.
really. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Now you are able to speak English. You are able to speak English now. When whatever I have asked you, you replied very well. And
yeah, yeah,
you are, I am, I see you that you are so eager, hanger, and continue learn this language. So definitely, you can learn this language. There is no doubt. Okay, and you try to speak English every day, every single day.
yeah, daily English speaking and learning and process it. One day we are 2 or 3 hour practice.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's good. If you do practice, 3 hours, 4 hours, 2 years at least, it's good.
Yeah, our
And
and
within a 6 months, your English will be good, and you will speak English very well. Believe me, because initial day 1 years back, if I go, I was not, I was not good in English.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
I was not good at grammar.
yeah.
I was not able to speak a single word. But right now, I spent 1 year, okay, and after spending 1 year, I am able to speak English. So
We
earlier
are
it was believe in me, and now I'm believe in myself.
yes, sir. We are only 5 months English learning journey. We are is English speaking. Okay, we are discussing. Hello, sir. This is my mobile charge 4% Anyone time is the silent. Okay,
Okay, don't worry. Then you can go. Huh?
this is mobile my silent. No
Mobile,
problem.
yeah, your
Four.
mobile battery has run out, I think.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll
Hello, sir.
talk
One.
again. Huh?
Hello. One question. You are
Okay.
discuss proper and you this is you are village living and you are city living.
Villager, I am villager.
Village area belong.
Yeah,
Okay.
totally. I belong to village
Okay.
area.
Okay. You have YouTube channel?
Yes, I have.
YouTube channel, please, sir. Name.
Okay, now I will send you. After
Okay.
talking, I will send you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Huh?
Thank you. Bye.